Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to share your screen in a Telegram chat on your PC. Let's get started. First, open Telegram on your PC. Next, open the chat of the person you want to share your screen with. Once you're in the chat, click on the call icon located at the top right corner to start a call. After the call connects, look for the screencast or screen sharing button at the bottom of the screen and click on it. Telegram will then ask how you want to share your screen. You can choose to share a specific window or your entire screen. Select your preferred option, then click on Share Screen to begin sharing with the person in the chat. And that's it. You've successfully shared your screen in a Telegram chat on your PC. This feature makes it easy to collaborate, demonstrate tasks, or share information in real time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching.